All right. So upskilling in AI is one of the most important things happening right now. And the Mass AI Coalition is focused on doing exactly that for Massachusetts. So, two things that stood out to me in the last few weeks. One was data from RAMP, and that data shows that companies actually using and leveraging AI platforms are growing faster than ones that aren't. Not a little faster, but meaningfully faster. Number two is some data from Iconic. So this data is showing that go to market people like myself, sales, business development, when they are AI native, they generate twice the ARR per full time employee. And so that's a huge lift. And every company out there is going to be looking for more AI native employees no matter what. So here's what I want you to know. The Mass AI Coalition is, like I said, they're super dedicated to upskilling everyone in Massachusetts on AI. We want everyone to be far more AI native and make that accessible. And the way that we're doing it is simple. We're hosting tons of events. They're free, they're in person, they're taught by people who actually do this work locally at startups that are building here in Boston. So bookmark it. I'll put the link down below. There are throughout the whole month of September. It's a huge benefit again. Thank you to the Mass AI Coalition. And here's the thing, if you're brand new to the workforce or if you've been here for decades, it doesn't really matter. These are all courses built to upskill all of us as a community. And so I'm excited for it. Again, shout out to the Mass AI Coalition. If you have any questions, let us know. Go ahead, grab your spot, and hope to see you out there.